Okay, so in this next part, we're trying to add some like listeners to the. So what I'm doing right now is I'm dragging another file onto here, and so I just want a different picture to show up here. So just make sure you've got two different image files. And oh yeah, I forgot my drive is weird for some reason. 1 sec. Okay, try number two. Sorry, I've got something iffy with my drive. Won't let me copy from a certain folder. Silly one. Alright, so I'm gonna add another image here. So I'm gonna have this one and then this one. Now, will that look pretty? Probably not. That's okay. So here, let's deal with one of them. So the very top left. So we can add listeners to these by going one dot, um, and then remember the listener method is called set on click listener. If you're familiar programming, it's kind of like a setter on click listener, except we get to specify what it does with these curly brackets or the body of it essentially. So here, if we click it, we're just gonna say, oh, you know what? We're gonna set the image resource to be r drawable black. So now if I play this, I should be able to. Again, this is img1, which is my image view on the left over here. So now that's gonna be one of my placements. So as you can see, I can click it, it stays black. Um, So in theory, you might need some sort of starting value for these, and then depending on whose turn it is, you're gonna either draw the white claw or the black claw in our case. And we're gonna do the same thing. So now, okay, I want to add a click listener for my second one. Just put it right here. img2 dot set on click listener, and then I can say, hey, set your image resource to be the claw. Obviously, I'm going quickly, but I know you can pause it, so that's okay. Now, I should be able to do this on image 2. But I forgot to use the second image, so it's actually switching to the same image. So what I want to do is the West View Claw Black. Refresh that. Um, you can also see that when you have a pretty decent machine, the experience of coding an Android device, it's not that bad. You can make changes and quickly see it on your screens. But we are going to work with whatever resource we have, of course, which also in the real world, not everybody's going to have the most modern PC. Okay, so at this point, you can try to see if you could add the other on-click listeners to the other images. And see you in the next part.